Step 1. Tie an overhand knot in the end of a piece of webbing. Leave at least 6 to 8 inches of tail at the working end. Step 2. Pass the working end of a second piece of webbing through the loop where the working end comes out of the knot. And Step 3. Continue to follow the webbing back through the knot to form another overhand until the standing part and the working end are parallel to each other. Step 4. Pull on the opposite ends of the knot and tighten. Step 5. Tie an overhand safety knot in both working ends of the webbing.